Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my presentation. Today I'll be talking about 15 sentences with their IPA. So let's get started. The first word for this presentation is dog. Dog. The dog is dancing on two legs. The dog is dancing on two legs. Next word is cat. Cat. The cat is very angry. The cat is very angry. Next is elephant. Elephant. The elephant cannot skip rope. The elephant cannot skip rope. The elephant cannot skip rope. Next, lion. Lion. The lion is running fast. The lion is running fast. The lion is running fast. Next word is ant. The ant is working out in the gym. The ant is working out in the gym. The ant is working out in the gym. The next word is river. River. Homer is drowning in the river. Homer is drowning in the river. Next, we have sky. Sky. There are many stars in the sky. There are many stars in the sky. There are many stars in the sky. Next word is mountain. 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 Homer is climbing the mountain. Homer is climbing the mountain. Homer is climbing the mountain. Next word is horse. 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 The horse is playing with a ball. The horse is playing with a ball. The horse is playing with a ball. Next word is sea. Sea. The ship is sinking in the sea. The ship is sinking in the sea. The ship is sinking in the sea. Okay, next word is policeman. 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 Policemen love eating donuts. Policemen love eating donuts. Policemen love eating donuts. Next we have fireman. Fireman. The fireman is putting out the fire. The fireman is putting out the fire. Next, chef. The next word is chef. 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 The chef is making pizza. The chef is making pizza. The chef is making pizza. Next, the hairdresser. The word here is hairdresser. The hairdresser is cutting the woman's hair. The hairdresser is cutting the woman's hair. And the last word for today is doctor. 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 The doctor is hitting Homer. The doctor is hitting Homer. The doctor is hitting Homer. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.